Hello everyone. Today's topic is linearity property of Laplace transform. Whenever we get a function of a t in addition or subtraction form, we have to use the linearity property. Mathematically, it is expressed as Laplace of k1 f1 of t plus k2 f2 of t up to n is equal to k1 Laplace of f1 of t plus k2 Laplace of f2 of t up to n. Note here k1 and k2 both are constant. Today we are going to solve three problems from the list, and the fourth problem is for your practice. First problem, Laplace of 4t square plus sine 3t plus e raised to 2t. Let's apply the linearity property to this. We get 4 into Laplace of t square plus Laplace of sine 3t plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. To solving this separately, we will apply some standard formula. For solving Laplace of t square, we will use Laplace of t raised to n is equal to n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. For Laplace of sine 3t, we will use Laplace of sine 80 is equal to a upon s square plus a square. And for Laplace of e raised to 2t, we will use Laplace of e raised to 80 is equal to 1 upon s minus a. Finally, we will get the answer as 4 into 2 upon s cube plus 3 upon s square plus 3 square plus 1 upon s minus 2. Second problem, Laplace of 2t cube plus cos 4t plus e raised to minus 2t. Let's apply the linearity property to this. We get 2 into Laplace of t cube plus Laplace of cos 4t plus Laplace of e raised to minus 2t. For solving this, we will apply some standard Laplace formula. For Laplace of t cube, we will apply Laplace of t raised to n is equal to n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. For cos 4t, we will apply Laplace of cos 80 is equal to s upon s square plus s square. And for Laplace of e raised to minus 2t, we will apply Laplace of e raised to minus 80 upon 1 upon s plus a. We will get 2 into 3 factorial upon s raised to 4 plus s upon s square plus 4 square plus 1 upon s plus. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, just press the like button, and if you have any doubts or suggestion, let me know at the comment box. Thank you. For getting updates of my channel, subscribe to my channel SP Preparation.